So for this Blender how-to video, I'm going to show you how to isolate or display object or objects. So let's create a few objects. Mesh, plane, Shift A, circle, Shift A, cube. All right. So to just isolate one of these so you can view it without having to worry about anything else, select the object you're interested in, like this one, then press Shift H and everything else kind of goes away, even the camera. So if you want to put that back, go ahead. And then let's say you want everything back to show, right? So Alt H and everything else displays as well. That's how you can isolate an object and bring them back. And let's say you want to isolate two objects because they're related to each other, and you kind of want to have that reference as you're modifying one of them. Select those two that you're interested in, press Shift H, and it will show you, only display those two for you. And again, to unisolate everything else, Alt H, and it'll display everything else for you. But yeah, that's how you isolate individual or multiple objects and also bring them back when you need to see them all. So yeah, hope that helps. Really fast video, and best of luck.